Kuliah fibro season 4 kijemptip namta kikubor laikam kane kede po East Janjahil district Klirian te kitu ki buku apna apply namta kini kam kidon kumba khat pra tali apply online kelas date kan deh du khadoi trik jong benai march te salek kham kloi pendap online ning ba Google form tingene page mentai kini post ki balai dengan ong bajara community post mo to post community kong kede medical officer lai tali ngamdon kam manong gene rupo jar sibanai and staff nurse lightly ki post arpo jar shibnai BSc nursing or GNM kila apply and ANM lightly ki post khatnyo jar sanspa ne have done common depth 2 years diploma in ANM and duly register with Meghalaya Nursing Council te baro ki ba yo bhavan apply kadai ka number 4 5 and 6 can if the helper com dio lightly katulok kadai khar hajar Class 12 pass with diploma certificate in computer application. Kan mau ya pendep ya ka diploma in computer application kemudian DCA ke ba androgenai. Dan 5 cleaning staff langut katulok de khandai hajar khandai spa andru tengka lab de class 10 ane class 12 ru kilap apply. But kamo 6 guard light ligi post katulok de shipo hajar class 10 ane class 12 pass kila ban apply. Te namta kane phaban apply online ka link gila dapai hang ne kini gi link jong gi Google form apply la ka jong eligible and interested candidate can submit their application on or before the 11 March 2025 class date kali khawe tri jong March te phap submit hashwa kata till 5 p.m. By mandatorily filling Google form as per the link mentioned below phap andal ning ba Google form Tegadon laka jong post of medical officer, post of staff nurse, post of NM, post of helper, post of cleaning staff, post of guard. Te ngamla are ban bu kowe web kaling nikinin warga tinjar ban you te phila ban should check himapi phila ban type yakine ki link gini ula bohong ne pok Google pin sayo ba ya kete form phila ban type https //form.glefl mda terter then klik nang tu bede bisa poi bi direct ke Google form but pendap gi detail ban pendap ba di dokumen jong phi ban sna lang ba PDF ba compile baro gi kadur ke signature ke admit card ke baro gi dijunon kami marksheet ke baro gi dijunon kami bede bekate dan sa submit lang haju te pendap bat sa submit daga PDF file back submit pada te select ke kam tu kam sa type hi gine ki Google form ka link nam taban apply mo candidate should use only Gmail account for registration in the Google form. Dan kam tang yega Gmail account. Candidate are to upload scan copies of their biodata and relevant testimonial certificate. Kan mau hakawai ke PDF baik less than 15 MB and the PDF file should be renamed by the first and last name of the applicant. Te phaban ai kerteng yega ta PDF file ru da ka kerteng ka banikong ne ka last name ne ka first name. Be renamed by the first and last name of the applicant. Ya keteng jong applicant ni. Date of written test interview for the short test candidate will be intimated at later date kisah penting baik. All relevant certificates extra to be produced at time interview. Agapun interview hinapan produce kita ki jinon kambaro ki dokumen di pro original and zero. Takan nei yang penting selek obron kam creation.